Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Tomorrow is my exam, but I don't care because a single sheet of paper can't decide my future. I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Whatever the mind of man creates should be controlled by the man's character. There is no expedient to which a man will not go to avoid the labor of thinking. Everything comes to him who hustles while he waits. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. The doctor of the future will no longer treat the human frame with drugs, but rather will cure and prevent disease with nutrition. I never did a day's work in my life. It was all fun. If we did all the things we are capable of, we would literally astound ourselves. I believe that the science of chemistry alone almost proves the existence of an intelligent creator. I am not discouraged because every wrong attempt discarded is another step forward. Opportunity is missed by most people because it is dressed in overalls and looks like work. I find my greatest pleasure and so my reward in the work that precedes that the world calls success. There's a way to do it better. Find it. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Great ideas originate in the muscles. Hell, there are no rules. There were trying to accomplish something. I start where the last man left off. Good fortune is what happens when opportunity meets with planning. Just because something doesn't do what you planned it to do doesn't mean it's useless. Maturity is often more absurd than youth and very frequently in most unjust to youth. Don't read success stories, you will get only message, but read failure stories, you will get some idea to become successful. I believe that the motion picture is destined to revolutionize our educational system and that in a few years it will supplant largely, if not entirely, the use of textbooks. Inspiration can be found in a pile of junk. Sometimes you can put it together with a good imagination and invent something. It is astonishing what an effort it seems to be for many people to put their brains definitely and systematically to work. Keep on the lookout for novel ideas that others have used successfully. Your idea has to be original only in its adaptation to the problem you are working on. Each time you fail, you have eliminated another wrong option. A failure teaches you that something can't be done that way.